Vedas, the most ancient text of humanity, says Surya Atma Jagatastha Sushya Swaha. Sun is the life force for all without any discrimination, may it be human being, birds, beasts, trees, plants, or nature at large. So we have to look towards sun for gaining true energy and life. Practicing Surya Namaskar on the special day of Makar Sankranti is still wonderful, because on Makar Sankranti, sun enters into Makar Rashi and it is called Uttarayan Surya. All texts have appreciated, admired this particular day, saying, Mag Makargat Ravi Jab Hui, Tirath Patihi Av Sab Koi. All divine forces collect, gather together on Triveni Sangama on this day. Yat Brahmande Tat Pinde. Whatsoever is in this entire universe, it is in our body as well. So Triveni is there in our body and it is called Agya Chakra, where our Ida, Pingala and Sushumna join together. Minister of Ayush, Government of India, has decided to celebrate mass yoga practice worldwide on this day and gain the benefits of Surya Namaskara, reduce medical budgets. It is a wonderful offer and I think everybody should join it. Collective effort gives perfect result.